What's the meaning of AS level? AS level. AS level.
AS level. AS level. AS, or autonomous system, refers to a collection of networks and routers under a common administrative domain, identified by a unique number. AS level is used to indicate the various levels of hierarchical organization within the Internet architecture. At the top of the hierarchy are Tier 1 networks, which have direct connections to all other Tier 1 networks worldwide. Lower-level OSAs typically connect to one or more higher-level OSAs for access to the global Internet. AS ranking is important in understanding Internet routing, network management, and overall Internet performance.